Confused by some and any? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Use some for positive sentences like when you have apples, I have some apples. But what if the basket is empty? That's where any comes in. We use any in questions. Do you have any apples? Also, we use any when offering something politely. Would you like some water? Wait, uh, yes, some for offers. Ah, wait a minute. Light bulb moment. Any is for negative sentences too. If you don't have it, you need any. I don't have any apples. Think of any like this. We don't have any bananas today, but we have some great oranges. Positive, some. Question or negative, any. You've got it. Great job. Hit that subscribe button for more simple English lessons every week.